Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of two titans in the touring tire world, the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus and the Toyo Proxes Comfort. Both are renowned for their unique strengths, but how do they stack up against each other? Let's find out. Starting with wet performance, the Toyo Proxes Comfort takes a slight lead in wet braking, stopping at 42.9 meters from 100 kilometers per hour, just ahead of the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus, which stops at 43.3 meters. In wet handling, the Toyo again shows its strength, averaging a speed of 75.4 kilometers per hour compared to Michelin's 74.5. On the wet circle test, which measures lateral grip, the Toyo Proxes Comfort outperforms the Michelin with a slightly higher speed. However, the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus shines in aquaplaning resistance, maintaining control at a slipping speed of 85.2 kilometers per hour, surpassing Toyo's 81.9. Moving to dry conditions, the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus edges out the Toyo Proxes Comfort in braking, stopping in 36.3 meters compared to Toyo's 36.7 meters. But when it comes to dry handling, the Toyo slightly outperforms the Michelin, with an average speed of 116 kilometers per hour against Michelin's 115.1. When it comes to mileage, the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus stands out with an impressive lifespan of up to 38,950 kilometers, far outlasting the Toyo Proxes Comfort, which offers up to 24,450 kilometers. This substantial difference underscores Michelin's expertise in durability and longevity, making it a top choice for drivers who prioritize long-lasting performance. In terms of noise, the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus offers a marginally quieter ride, producing 72.7 decibels compared to Toyo's 73 decibels. While the difference is minimal, it's something to consider if a quieter ride is essential to you. Finally, let's look at rolling resistance. The Toyo Proxes Comfort shows slightly better efficiency, with a lower rolling resistance coefficient of 8.05 compared to the Michelin's 8.16. This suggests the Toyo is marginally more efficient. In summary, the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus excels with its outstanding longevity and superior aquaplaning resistance. Meanwhile, the Toyo Proxes Comfort impresses with its strong wet performance and slightly better handling in both wet and dry conditions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.